This is Mekafur Autolatch DLX, the upgraded heavy-duty edition of Autolatch STD. Built for durability and effortless fitting, DLX fits wooden, steel, aluminium, concrete, WPC and other window types, and is available in stainless steel or antique finish. DLX Edition are thicker door clamp for extra strength, a detachable stainless steel handle for easy inside pulling, both the door clamp and hook set redesigned for smoother fixing and reliable operation, and a full stainless steel design for long life. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through installation. First, keep the window pane closed. Mark a vertical line for alignment, then mark the center point for fixing the female part, the door clamp. Now, place the door clamp aligned to the marked line and fix it with 2 screws. Tighten the screws in the provided holes. The oval-shaped design allows fine adjustments for perfect alignment. After fixing the door clamp, close the window again and insert the hook set, with its locking portion fitting into the door clamp. Hold it firmly in place, then fix the hook set onto the window jamb as shown. Tighten the hook set with screws in the holes provided. The oval-shaped holes allow fine adjustments for perfect fitting. The fitting is complete. Autolatch DLX locks automatically when you shut the window. No manual effort needed. A detachable stainless steel handle makes pulling easy. To open, just press once and it releases instantly. Its unique design also keeps the lock open when pressed, so with multiple latches you don't need to press all at once. Autolatch can also be installed horizontally for windows without a center jamb. Thank you for watching.
Mekafur, inspired to be creative.